In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tensioner on your Greenworks chainsaw. The most common reason for replacing the tensioner is when the chainsaw bar doesn't adjust when you turn the tension screw and the tensioner. The inside of your saw may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Use only original equipment manufacturer replacement parts. Failure to do so may impact product performance, cause injury, and will void your warranty. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver to complete this repair. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. If your chainsaw has an active chain brake, it must be engaged now. Let's get started. Removing the tensioner. To change the tensioner, the side cover must be removed. Loosen the tensioner and remove the bar and chain. If there is debris inside, brush or wipe the debris away before installing the new parts. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn the tensioner screw to expose the screw securing the tensioner. With the T20 Torx screwdriver, you can now remove the screw seated in the tensioner. Use the flathead to pry out the plastic stopper at the end of the assembly. Lift out the main mechanism and discard. Installing the tensioner. Place the new tensioner into the slot. Press firmly to ensure that it is properly seated. Slide the plastic stopper into place. Secure the mechanism using the T20 Torx screw. Use the flathead screwdriver to move the tension pin back into position, covering the screw. Finish by reinstalling the bar, chain, and side cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your saw, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks saw will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.